Dear students, today's lesson is about sentence parts. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group or set of words that expresses a complete thought. A complete sentence consists of two parts, a subject and a predicate. What is a subject? A subject tells who or what the sentence is about. Examine these sentence examples. Jack is a young fisherman. Jack goes to the lake every day. And the last one, Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. First, find the verb and then make a question by placing who or what before it. In the first sentence, Jack is a young fisherman, you have to find the verb. So the verb here is the verb to be is. Now ask yourself, who is a young fisherman? Jack is a young fisherman. So we know that Jack is the subject. Let's move to the second one. Jack goes to the lake every day. So where's the verb here? The verb is goes. So who goes to the lake every day? Jack goes to the lake every day. So Jack is the subject here. And the last one, in the sentence, Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. You have to first find the verb and then make a question by placing who or what before it. So, Judy and her dog run on the beach every morning. You have here to find the verb. Where's the verb here? Run is the verb. So, who run on the beach every morning? The answer is the subject, which is Judy and her dog. Let's try one. We spilled popcorn on the floor. What is the verb of this sentence? Spilled is the verb of this sentence. Now find the subject. We spilled popcorn on the floor. So where's the verb? The verb is spilled. Now you have to decide who or what spilled popcorn. We spilled popcorn on the floor. Can you find the subject in each sentence below? My little brother broke his finger. So here, let's find the verb first. The verb here is broke. So now, who broke his finger? My little brother broke his finger. So my little brother is the subject. And the second one, his Uncle Bob asked for directions. The verb here is asked. Who asked for directions? Uncle Bob. So his Uncle Bob is the subject of this sentence. In the third sentence, those soldiers carried guns. First you have to find the verb. Yes, carried is the verb. So who carried guns? Those soldiers carried guns. So the subject is those soldiers. And the last one, our babysitter arrived late. Arrived here is the verb. So now ask yourself, who arrived late? Our babysitter arrived late, which is the subject. Can you find the subject in each sentence below? My little brother broke his finger. So who broke his finger? My little brother. And the second one, his Uncle Bob. And the third one, those soldiers. And the last one, our babysitter. What is a predicate? A predicate tells what the subject is or does. John is a young farmer. John takes care of the seeds. And the last one, the farmer waters. To identify the predicate, you have to ask, what is the subject John? The subject John is a young farmer. So a young farmer tells what the subject is. What does the subject John do? The subject John takes care of the seeds. So the predicate tells what the subject John is or does. So in the first sentence, the predicate told us that John The subject is a young farmer. And in the second sentence, the predicate told us that John, the subject, takes care of the seed. Find the predicate in each sentence below. My little brother broke his finger. His Uncle Bob asked for directions. Those soldiers carried guns. Our babysitter arrived late. In the first sentence, my little brother broke his finger. The subject is my little brother. You have to find the verb, and we know that the verb is the first word in the predicate. So, the predicate starts from the verb till the end of the sentence. So, broke his finger is the predicate. Is Uncle Bob asked for directions? Again, find the verb. The verb is the first word in the predicate, so ask for directions is the predicate. Those soldiers carried guns. Here, those soldiers is the subject. What are we saying about the soldiers or about the subject? We are saying that they carried guns, and the verb is carried, and we know that the predicate starts from the verb till the end of the sentence, so carried guns is the predicate. And the last one, our babysitter arrived late. The subject here is our babysitter. What are we saying about her? We are saying that she arrived late, and we know that arrived is the verb, and the predicate starts from the verb till the end of the sentence. So arrived late is the predicate, and we are saying that the subject arrived late. Remember, a sentence has two parts, the subject and the predicate. And the subject tells who or what the sentence is about, and the predicate tells what the subject is. Thank you for your attention.